And I woke up one day and I was like, this cannot be my real life. I have to at least try. And I went to a community college. I didn't tell anyone when I enrolled because I was like, seriously, if I mess up again, nobody's going to forgive me 2 times.
Right.
Community college, then I went on and got my bachelor's, then I went back and got my master's, went back and got a 6-year degree, and now I'm the National Teacher of the Year.
Obviously, being the National Teacher of the Year is a big deal, and teachers make such a difference, and it makes a difference, and I think you saw the difference between changing schools and where you went, and how much teachers influence you, and how did that bring...
Blood brother. Oh, blood brother. That might pull officially on, Henry.
The Andy Griffith Show, starring Andy Griffith, with Ronnie Howard, also starring Don Knotts.